Breaking news coming in. The Election Commission has reprimanded Yogi Adityanath over his speech and cautions him to be more careful in the future. Remember, there was a notice that was sent to Yogi Adityanath for the alleged hate speeches that he's made during the campaign in Uttar Pradesh. This is the Election Commission reprimanding BJP star campaigner in Uttar Pradesh. Of course, despite the fact that the state government yesterday denied him permission to hold a rally in Lucknow, he did go ahead and do exactly that. In fact, he did go ahead and challenge the SP government authorities to arrest him if they really dare to. We've got Madhav on the phone line. Madhav, we've seen a series of vitriolic speeches coming from Yogi Adityanath and just a reprimand coming in from EC.
Well, yes, absolutely. In fact, the Election Commission just stopping short of really the most action that it can take in terms of censuring, but really, of course, reprimanding Yogi Adityanath and also telling the Yogi that this kind of statement should not be made in the future. It has a prima facie found him, actually found him after his reply to the Election Commission guilty of violating the Model Code of Conduct, and that's why the Election Commission is going ahead and reprimanding Yogi Adityanath for his statements, which they have found to be divisive on the basis of religion, appealing to people on the basis of religion to really cast their votes for him. I've also, in fact, taken strong exception to the fact that Yogi Adityanath has filed this reply really on the basis of the fact of his lawyer, and has also addressed it to whomsoever it may concern. The Election Commission has said that as far as Yogi Adityanath's reply is concerned, it would be better if it were addressed to a constitutional authority like the Election Commission directly, rather than being addressed to whomsoever it may concern. So clearly, of course, the poll watchdog coming down on Yogi Adityanath, saying that as far as he is concerned, in violation of the Model Code of Conduct, and he has been reprimanded by the Election Commission as well.
Madhav, we've seen a series of these vitriolic, venom-spewing speeches made by Yogi Adityanath, and clearly he's playing the divisive communal politics in Uttar Pradesh. Would one have expected a more stricter decision, probably just banning him from campaigning in Uttar Pradesh?
Well, yes, we have seen during the Lok Sabha elections, the Election Commission coming down and banning members of particular political parties for making communally divisive or sensitive remarks. So clearly, of course, that has been the strongest sort of action that the Election Commission has taken in the past as well, particularly in the case of those who have repeatedly, in fact, gone ahead and made such kind of statements. We saw it, for instance, in the case of the current BJP President Amit Shah, as well as Uttar Pradesh's senior Samajwadi Party leader Azam Khan as well, take place during the past Lok Sabha elections. So clearly, of course, we will have to see whether the Election Commission, whether further to this particular notice and this particular decision being conveyed to Yogi Adityanath, they will, of course, certainly, sources in the Election Commission are saying they will closely monitor his speeches in the future to see if there's any similar reference, and certainly, of course, a repeated reference to such aspects could invite stronger action, is what sources in the Election Commission are telling us.